Going to learn. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn class 10th exercise 3.1 question number 2. So in this question we are supposed to compare the ratios of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, and we'll have to tell that whether the lines intersect at a point or are parallel to each other or are coincident to each other. So first of all, if you don't know, so any equation, any pair of linear equation, when given the circumstance of A1 equals B1 upon B2 equals C1 upon C2. So this situation over here means that the lines are coincident. Correct? The second situation, where if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, it simply means that the line intersect at a point and gives one unique solution. Now in the third situation, where A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but B1 upon B2 and A1 upon A2 are not further equal to C1 upon C2. Now this situation here gives the result that the lines are parallel to each other, and this does not give any solution. So this further is called inconsistent. Okay? So now let's move to the question. So there was a basic. Now we will just have to solve the question. Now question 2, part 1. So in part 1 we have a pair of linear equations, which is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. So this is already the standard form of this equation. अगर कोई भी equation standard form में नहीं होगी, so we will first have to convert it to the standard form of it. ठीक है? The next part of this pair is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals 0. So here A1 is 5, A2 is 7, B1 is 4 and B2 is 6. So it's clearly visible that these both are not equal to each other. So this means that the first part, the lines will simply intersect and give one unique solution. Correct? Now let's move on to the next part. Part 2 says 9x plus 3y plus 12, 18x plus 6y plus 24. So you all see where this is going, right? So let's just write A1, that is 9, upon A2, that is 18, A1 that's 3 and A2 that's 6, C1 that's 12 and C2 that's 24. So all three terms will give you 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, which concludes that the lines will go coincident and give many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now the last part, we have 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 equals 0. So A1 is 6, A2 is 2, B1 is 3, B2 is 1, C1 is 10 and C2 is 9. So here we can see that this is 1 upon 3 when simplified. So this gives 3 1 equals 3 1 is not equivalent to the third term, that is C1 upon C2, which means that these equations will go parallel and won't give any solutions. So that was it for today's video. I hope you understood this question better. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video with a new question.